Welcome to the Vector Garden. Here's a quick tip about importing your Illustrator artwork into After Effects. So everything is set up. This is an RGB file, and we have set up some main layers that contain the elements that should be animated separately. And it looks like this. And now we're going to import this into After Effects. So let's switch to After Effects. I've already set up a new project, and now let's import this and select this and import this as a composition. There it is. And here we have the layers, and let's just drag them into the timeline like this. And you see this is pretty small. I'm going to zoom into this, and you see this looks like crap. So we've got all these pixels in this vector artwork. So why is this? And what you need to do is turn on this. Continuously rasterize. It's this symbol here that looks like a little sun, and you have to turn it on for all these layers. And then we get better rendering over there. So let's zoom out of here, and when I select it all in here and enlarge it, so let's enlarge this thing and let's go to 100%, and then you see we've got nice vector quality. And let's just for comparison turn this off, and then you see it looks crappy again. So turn on nice vectors, turn it off, and then it looks like crap. So that's how you get nice vectors look great in After Effects.